and welcome to Knitting the Notes with Dr. B. In today's episode, in addition to hearing the mournful cry of my cat, who's unhappy that I turned off her toys because there was one toy that makes a little bit of noise, we're going to address an issue raised by a young viewer who wanted some help in dealing with the melismas in Chopin's Nocturne, Opus 9, number 1. So here we go. The noise you hear in the background is my cat's toy because she's very unhappy. Got very unhappy when we had to. So when I was a young whippersnapper, the way I did it, for example, in measure 2, and my hand is going to look really funny because I'm going around this post here. I did it 2 against 1, 2 in the right hand against 1 in the left hand until the last one, and then I made that into a 3 against 2. But I've tried all different ways. I've tried doing 3 against 2 at the beginning, and I've tried doing 3 against 2 right before the end. No, that's not it. And you can do that like. That might be a surreptitious way to do it. At the moment, I favor 3 against 2 at the beginning. And then on the one where it's 22 against 12 or 11 against 6 and 11 against 6, in my youth I did 2 against 1 until the 9, 10, 11, and also 20, 21, 22. Like, this is how I used to do it. But after experimenting with putting the triplet any number of places, and you can do that and just sort of be surreptitious about it and hope nobody complains, I think right now I favor 3 against 2, 3 against 2, and then 2 against 1. And then for the one down here in measure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, in measure 10, because of that crescendo going up to the legatissimo and the big high note, I would put the 3 against 2 at the end, because then you're kind of expanding for the crescendo. And then you got that. And then, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, in measure 15. Again, because of that crescendo, I put the triplet against 2, the 3 against 2 at the end. Oh. I did that wrong. Oh, that's only 7, just kidding. Yeah, so it's 1 against 1. And then do a 3 against 2. So, I'm sorry I messed that up, but there's this pole in the way. Then, on the last page, okay, and then in measure 73, what seems to work, at least as a starting point in the second half, is to do 4 notes against 1 note 2 times, and then 3 notes against 1 note 4 times. So, and the way it's printed in this older German edition also kind of looks like that. So it'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So the beginning of the measure, and this is going to be, I'll probably mess up because there's the pole of the stand is in my way. So you got 3 against 2, 4, 4, 3, and that was messed up, but the idea is there. And it's up to you to speed it up. And then in measure 75, you have you could go counted an 8th, 16th note in the right hand against the last two 8th notes in the left hand. So it's a question of you're going to do 3 against 2 at the beginning or 3 against 2 in the middle. Try it both ways and see what you like. And then in measure 79, it's strictly 3 against 2. So I think that will do it. Good luck. This is a fun piece to play. And that's it for today's episode of Knitting the Notes with Dr. B. Thank you for watching. And I apologize for the videography at the end, but there's somebody waiting for this video, so I'm going to put it out there. And on the first page, the last measure referenced was measure 14, not measure 15.